So good morning students. So last class we discussed elimination reaction. Already you know three chemical reactions are is there, alkyls, nucleophilic substitution reaction and elimination reaction, and the third one is reaction with metals. So coming to the third one, reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. See, reaction with metals, that means alkyls are react with metal atoms. See, most organic chlorides, bromides and iodides react with certain metal atoms to give compounds containing carbon metal bond. So such compounds are called, such type of 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 compounds are called what? Organometallic compounds, organometallic compounds. So reaction with metal atoms. See, reaction with metal atom, most organic chlorides, that means alkyl chlorides and alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides react with certain metal atoms, some metal atoms like magnesium, copper, iron, like this. Certain metal atoms to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds, carbon metal bonds. See, such type of organic compounds, such type of organometallic compounds, such type of compounds are called organometallic compounds. Is clear? So most organic chlorides, bromides and iodides react with certain metal atoms to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds. Such type of organic compounds called organometallic compounds. See, example is there. So most important example is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent. So alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, very important. Grignard reagent. It is represented. It is RMgX. It is R alkyl RMgX. Grignard reagent means alkyl magnesium halides. Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium is halide is called Grignard reagent. It is very important. What is Grignard? Grignard reagent is the organometallic compounds. Organometallic compound. So Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halide, RMgX. RMgX. R is alkyl, Mg is magnesium, X is halogen. RMgX called Grignard reagent. It is very important of organometallic compound. See, most of organic chlorides, bromides and iodides react with certain metal atoms to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds. Such type of compounds are called organometallic compounds. So in that, important organometallic compound is Grignard reagent. Grignard means scientist name, Victor Mayer Grignard. So Grignard name is scientist name. Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl, R means alkyl, magnesium is magnesium element, that is electropositive element. Halide means halogen, that is nothing but fluorine, bromine, iodine. See, so what is the preparation of Grignard reagent? So Grignard reagent preparation. This is the Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent preparation. So Grignard reagent prepared by Grignard reagent prepared by the prepared by the reaction of prepared by the reaction of haloalkanes react with magnesium atom in the presence of in the presence of in the presence of in the presence of dry ether, in the presence of dry ether. See, it is preparation of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent prepared by the reaction. Grignard reagent is prepared by the Grignard reagent is prepared by the prepared by the reaction of haloalkanes react with magnesium atom in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. See, let us see equation. Alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. See, let us see the equation. So haloalkane means alkyl halides react with magnesium element in the presence of dry ether, and gives the RMgX. So this is called Grignard alkyl magnesium halide bond. So in the presence of what? Dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. Let us see example is CH3, CH2, Br react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Use the CH3, CH2, Mg, Br. This is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So this is also called ethyl magnesium bromide. Simple, we can call ethyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide is called Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is haloalkanes react with magnesium atom in the presence of dry ether, gives the RMgX. This RMgX called Grignard reagent. See, so reactivity. So Grignard reagent is it is a preparation of Grignard reagent. Okay, and next one is haloalkanes react with magnesium atom in the presence of dry ether, gives the RMgX. Okay, so next one is important one. So Grignard reagent RMgX. So RMgX. So this RMgX. Grignard reagent. So R means what? Alkyl group. Alkyl group nothing but what? Carbon atom. Any carbon atom. Alkyl means R means alkyl. R is here is RMgX. In this here R is alkyl group. Anyone. So X equal to halogen. Such is chlorides, bromides or iodides. Anything. Chlorides, bromides or iodides. See, in this alkyl group, R is alkyl group is there no? This alkyl group is nothing but carbon atom. See, in this, so carbon and magnesium, so RMgX. So RMgX I will write. So any carbon atom. So in this alkyl groups, carbon atom is more electronegativity. It is RMg bond, carbon and magnesium. This carbon and magnesium bond. R means alkyl group. That is carbon magnesium bond. Carbon magnesium bond. Carbon magnesium bond is covalent, but polar, but highly polar nature. So carbon and magnesium bond. This is carbon and magnesium. This bond is covalent bond, but highly polar nature. Carbon is more electronegativity. So electron is pulling the carbon atom from magnesium atom. That's why carbon is, this alkyl group is partially negative charge. Magnesium is partially positive charge. See, carbon magnesium bond is covalent but highly polar nature. Due to that reason, carbon is more electronegativity, and this is pulling the electrons from the magnesium atom. And magnesium and halogen. Magnesium and halogen bond is ionic bond. ionic bond. So ionic bond. That's why halogen. This halogen also partially negative charge is produced. So RMJX. So carbon and halogen bond is, see, carbon halogen bond is this carbon. So carbon magnesium bond. Carbon and magnesium bond is, this bond is covalent but highly polar nature. Due to carbon is more electronegativity. Here carbon is more electron than magnesium atom. Electrons, pulling off electrons from magnesium atom. Pulling off electrons from magnesium atom. So magnesium and halogen bond is ionic bond. That's why halogen is partially negative charge. Magnesium is partially positive charge. Partially positive charge. See, let us see here. So Grignard reagent is highly reactive. RMGX highly reactive, RMGX highly reactive and react with So Grignard reagent RMGX is highly reactive and react with any source of proton. Any source of proton means, so which molecules donate the proton? Proton means what? H plus ions. Any source of proton like water, alcohol, amines and acids, sufficiently acids to gives corresponding hydrocarbons, to gives corresponding hydrocarbons. See, so alkyl magnesium, carbon and magnesium bond is covalent and highly polar nature. So magnesium and halogen bond is ionic bond. Okay, so alkyl magnesium halide is highly reactive. It is highly reactive and it is reactive with any source of proton. Source of proton is which molecules donate the proton. Protons like water, alcohol, amines and acids, etc. So many. To give corresponding their hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means what? Alkanes. Corresponding their hydrocarbons. It is very important. Grignard. What is the Grignard reagent? Means alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, carbon magnesium bond is covalent bond, but it is highly polar nature. So because of carbon is more electronegativity than magnesium atom, electrons is pulling from the magnesium atom towards carbon atom, and magnesium and halogen is the ionic bond. So it is partially negative carbon, magnesium positive, negative, halogen is partially negative. See, alkyl magnesium halide is highly reactive. It is reactive with any source of proton like water, alcohol, acids, amines, etc. to gives corresponding their hydrocarbons. Let us see some examples. See, I will write here as examples, equation examples. So RMGX Grignard reagent, RMGX react with water molecule to produce RH plus MgXOH. See, Grignard reagent R minus Mg plus and X minus. See, here is R minus Mg plus. So this in this proton donor, source of proton donor, water is donated to the proton atom. So H plus ion is released. This H plus ion attacked to R minus RH. Hydrocarbon is produced. It is the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means alkanes. See, RMG, Grignard reagent is reactants. Water molecule and produce the hydrocarbon. Let us see some common examples. I will see right here. RMGX. Whatever is there, I written there. I will write alcohol. For example, first one is so water is over. Next one is acetylene. CH triple bond CH. Acetylene. Acetylene is it is having two acidic proton. Already you discussed first PEC. Acetylene is more acidic nature because of This hydrogens are attached to sp carbon atom. Hydrogens are attached to sp carbon. Acetylene CH triple bond CH is more acidic nature due to two hydrogen atoms are attached to sp carbon atom. Okay, that's why it is more acidic nature. So here is R minus Mg. Already we discussed. Here is R minus Mg plus X. See, I will see R minus Mg plus X minus. So this R minus are react with this acidic proton of one proton. So coming to the RH plus MgX C triple bond CH, any acidic one proton, and coming to the alcohol R dash OH, you can take the alcohols. So alcohols also release the proton, H plus ion is released. So RH plus MgX O R dash, like this. And next one is amines, R dash NH2 or ammonia molecule, whatever is R dash NH2. So amines also release the one proton. So RH plus MgX, so MgX NHR. So this is the this is the compound. Grignard reagent is highly reactive with any sorts of proton like water, alcohol, amines, acids. Acetic acid also you can take. Acids, acetic acid. Okay, so react with and give the corresponding hydrocarbons. If you take R equal, you can take methyl, ethyl, ethane, propane, like this one. So this is the reactant. See, already you know Grignard reagent in the presence of the Grignard reagent, alkyl halide is react with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. Alkyl halide. So this is the chemical reaction. So here is one important point is there. Remember, just to remember the points. So Grignard reagent is prepared alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. So dry ether gives the RMgX. So dry ether we can use the only dry ether. So you can avoid the moisture. That is, you can avoid the wet ethers. You can avoid the moisture of the moisture. Why? Because in the presence of moisture, alkyl halides converted to alcohol. Alkyl halide is moisture. You can use the moisture. That means whenever dry ether, we can use the dry ether. Why we can use the dry ether? We can avoid the moisture from dry ether, because of in the presence of moisture, alkyl halides converted to alcohol. That is the reason why we have to use preparation of Grignard reagent. We have to use dry ether in the presence of moisture ether. So alkyl halide is converted to alcohol. Due to this reaction, only we have to take dry ethers. Don't take the moisture. See, next one is Wurtz reaction. Already you know. So Wurtz reaction. This is also very important. Already you know Wurtz reaction. What is the Wurtz reaction? Wurtz reaction means what? So alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to gives doubly carbon atom, to gives hydrocarbon containing. So alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give hydrocarbon containing double bonded, double number of carbon atoms, double number of carbon atoms. So this is the Wurtz reaction. What is the Wurtz reaction means? Alkyl halide react with alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give hydrocarbon containing double number of carbon atoms in alkanes. Okay, see, let us see the example. Let us see general, already you know this equation, Wurtz reaction. So alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give hydrocarbon containing double number of carbon atoms. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. See, alkyl halides directly write. So direct step, this is dry ether to gives double number of carbon atoms and 2 moles of sodium. Simply I will write here, alkyl halide react with 2 moles of sodium metal in the presence of, see, I will write like this, dry ether, so loss of and 2 moles of sodium X, 2 moles of, so remove of 2 moles of sodium. So alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give hydrocarbon containing double number of carbon atoms. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. You can take any one, methyl bromide, ethyl bromide. If in case ethyl bromide is involved, simply in examination C2H5Br react with sodium metal and dry ether. Like this will give, they will in examination will not give the 2 moles like this. Ethyl bromide react with sodium, then it is gives the C2H5 and C2H5 plus 2 moles of sodium bromide. This reaction is states the, explain the Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction means what? Alkyl halides react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to gives hydrocarbons containing double number of carbon atoms in. So this is the Wurtz reaction, only dry ether. If in case wet ether is there, alkyl halide is converted to alcohols. Okay, so this is the reaction with the metal atoms.